To choose the correct Premier couplings and drawbar eyes, you must first determine the gross trailer weight, which is usually determined by the gross vehicle weight rating attached to the trailer by the manufacturer. For double trailers, only the rear trailer is considered when selecting your Premier coupling or drawbar eye, while for triple trailers, only the two most rearward trailers are considered. The second step is determining the tongue weight capacity, which is the maximum expected weight at the drawbar eye. If a hinged drawbar is used, the maximum weight will be approximately 1/2 the overall drawbar weight. If a non-hinged drawbar is used and the actual tongue weight is unknown, you can approximate the weight by multiplying the gross vehicle weight rating of the towed trailer by 15%. However, best practice is to weigh the tongue when the trailer is loaded to its GVWR. The third step is considering your operating conditions and environment. In general, increasing the gross trailer weight from step 1 and the tongue weight capacity from step 2 by a minimum of 25% will be sufficient for many applications. However, each application is unique and every environment different. Therefore, your application may require more than 25%. Once both gross trailer weight and tongue capacity weight have been determined, evaluate your operating conditions and apply an appropriate margin of safety. The final step is to visit Premier's website or browse pages 4 through 8 of the catalog. There you can find cross-reference charts for coupling to drawbar eye pairings as well as coupling to wear gauge numbers. In addition, you can determine if one of Premier's premium options, such as Primaloy or Extended Life, are right for your application.